Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing Spice Breeze. This is a monthly culinary subscription. They send you recipe kits, as well as all the spices you'll need to complete that kit. You will have to get your own ingredients, like if you need onions or what, and you know, that kind of stuff. This simply is a spice blend subscription. There are two different options. There is the Duo, which is, hold on, I wrote it down, $5.90 a month. You think I'd know I'd do this one enough. And then there's the Quad, which has 4. The Duo has 2, obviously. And that one is $11.85 a month. If you're interested in seeing me like complete the actual recipe, check out my blog, because that's where I always put those. I will actually like do one of the recipes included, and then like, you know, you can kind of see what is included and how it all works together. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? All right. So let's get in here. This is the, I usually receive the Quad. I'm guessing it's that. So that would be $11.85, which is a very good price for something like this. I love these. It's just like an excuse to cook something delicious. I didn't like do like a first glimpse because it's like an envelope, you know what I mean? Like, so like we're opening this all together. All right. So this is the February menu. It's a Vietnamese baguette, Valentine's dinner for 2, Caribbean street food, enchiladas with chocolate. So it's going to be like a mole. Oh, look at these cool pictures. They always have these like really cool pictures. The inside of this is always stunning. Look how they have it set up. Oh, look at all those spices. Aren't they gorgeous? Aren't they gorgeous? All right, so let's go in here and see what we're receiving. And then we'll look at the spices that go with it. So this is Bon Mie Thịt. This is a Vietnamese culinary spice kit. So right here, Bon Mie. Right here is this orange one. And then there's usually 2, but we'll see. So in this one we receive annatto, black pepper, Sichuan pepper, not for pregnancy it says there, fennel, Vietnamese cinnamon, star anise, and cloves. So that is that one. And they range in kind of like difficulty levels, which is kind of nice too. I always love it. I love that in a, in a subscription, I should say. The second one is doubles, which is interesting. This is Trinidadian. And that, those two, it has 2 spices. Usually the recipe kits, if it says Duo, that means it's 2 recipes. 2 recipes, not spices. Sometimes it's 2 spices, sometimes it's just 1, as you saw with the Bon Mie. Okay, so here's the doubles. And then it also has, usually the second one is like some sort of a spicy pepper or something of that nature. All right, so this one has, let's see, in our first packet is toasted, by the way, this smells good. I can smell like chili. Toasted cumin, amchur, turmeric, yellow mustard, curry leaves, not curry, then leaves. Fenugreek, onion, ginger, coriander, cayenne, cilantro, garlic, cardamom, black pepper, and cinnamon. And then the little packet has habanero in it. All right, so our third recipe is a Valentine's dinner. This is a French culinary spice kit. So those 2 are, one here, which looks like little peppercorn, some sort of a peppercorn. And then up here, which is like this powdery, almost looks like some sort of a, I don't know. We're going to find out though. So what are these? This is, it doesn't say the kind of dinner. Filet mignon au poivre. I'm guessing. That means pepper steak. And discover the extravagance of a rose-flavored dessert. Filet mignon is the best choice, but you can use any type of steak. Precious green peppercorns give the creamy steak sauce a less pungent, woody fruit note. Look up fancy variations for both dishes on our website. So the first one is just green peppercorns. And then the second one is rosebud powder. I love, you guys know I love roses, so I'm so excited for that. All right, then our fourth and final recipe is enmoladas, which is a Mexican dish. And so we're gonna, here's our first spice, which looks almost like a chili powder. And then our second one, which looks like some sort of a cayenne pepper. So it's ancho chili powder in the first one, pasilla chili powder, cinnamon, and oregano. And then the second little packet is guajillo chili powder. So that is everything that I received. If you're interested in seeing the recipe that I produce with this cool kit, check out the full review. I'll link to that below. Also link to Spice Breeze so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.